Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing the top 13 interior design secrets and how to make your home look designer for less. I'm Nikki D, your go-to resource for design inspiration, furniture, and decor to make your home look like you hired a designer. Whether you can't afford to hire a designer right now or love design and want to decorate your own home, this video is for you. You'll learn the tips and secrets designers use to create beautiful, polished spaces. I'm saving the best for last, so stick around to the end for a bonus secret. Secret number 1, create a look and feel. Designers create the look and feel of a room or home before they buy any furniture. The average homeowner is going to either buy off the showroom floor or random pieces here and there, and then they wonder why everything doesn't work together. Designers always ask their clients to share inspiration images that they've saved for how they want their space to look and feel. The best part is this is something you can do yourself. Look at design books, Pinterest, and Instagram for images of how you want your home to feel. You should be able to imagine yourself living in the spaces, and they should fit your lifestyle. Create a Pinterest board with the images and then narrow it down to 3 with the vibe you're after. Secret number 2, know your design style. Designers have a style they're working with when designing their client's home. This may be traditional, contemporary, mid-century modern, California coastal, eclectic. There are so many to choose from. By knowing your design style, it's going to make it easier to shop and create a cohesive look. Different furniture stores carry different styles of furniture. For example, if I'm shopping mid-century modern, I would shop West Elm for affordable options and Design Within Reach for high-end. For transitional, I'd shop Our House or Studio McGee. For traditional, I'd go to Pottery Barn, Ballard Designs, or Lillian August. If you don't know your design style, take the quiz in the description box. You'll get the results emailed to you, and then you can search on Pinterest for that design style by room. You can type modern coastal living room, for example, for images of rooms to help you create the look and feel for your room. Secret number 3, cohesive color palette. Once the look and feel is established, designers create a cohesive color palette. They look at all the spaces together and create a color palette that flows from one room to the other. If it's a completely separate room, like a bedroom or office, it can have a different theme, but typically the entire home will have a consistent color palette and style throughout. This creates balance and harmony between the spaces. It's visually pleasing and helps carry your eye from one room to another. For ideas to create a cohesive color palette, search on Pinterest, neutral living room, or colorful living room, monochromatic living room. You'll find an abundance of inspiration. By taking your time to research all the ideas, you'll be less likely to follow the current trend that'll look dated in 10 years. The key is to find your style and then create a timeless space that you're gonna love forever so that you don't feel like you need to change it in 10 years. If you're enjoying this video so far, please hit that subscribe button to get future notifications every Sunday. Give it a like and leave a comment on what you'd like to see next. Secret number 4, floor plan. I say this with every video and blog post because it's so important. Measuring your space and creating a floor plan is a must. It's the only way to know your furniture and decor will fit and you'll avoid returns. I recently went to an ASID event at ABC Stone in Brooklyn where designers had their work on display for a competition. Every single designer had a furniture layout and floor plan for their space. Whether it was one room or an entire house, they had a floor plan. My design professor once told me it's the roadmap for your design, and that's really stuck with me throughout the years. There's a free how to measure and do a floor plan PDF in the description below, so make sure you grab a copy. Secret number 5, performance fabrics. Designers love to use performance fabrics on sofas, chairs, and upholstery pieces. Fabrics like Krypton, Umbrella, and Revolution are names to look for when it comes to performance fabrics. It'll cost you a little bit more, but you'll rest assured knowing it's going to be durable, mildew, stain, and water resistant. Investing in quality fabric will give you peace of mind when you're entertaining and for everyday living. Secret number 6, Custom furniture. Designers create curated spaces that look original with unique and custom furniture. They choose the fabrics and details to work perfectly with the look and feel their clients are after. Details include the size, arm, style, legs, color, texture, trim, and novelty treatments like nail heads. Furniture stores like Our House, Pottery Barn, Ballard Designs, and Serena and Lily all have custom furniture lines where you can choose your fabrics, wood finish, and cushion style. Customizing your furniture will add style and personality to your living space. It'll give you a designer look that's unique to you. Secret number 7, statement pieces. To give you examples of how designers use statement pieces, we'll look at the rooms from the New York City Kips Bay Decorator Show House that just ended. It featured 24 designers and architects who spent 10 weeks designing the rooms. The annual event raises money for the Kips Bay Boys and Girls Club. There is a link in the description with more details and locations. Statement pieces can be anything from lighting, artwork, a rug, sofa, a chair, or even a dramatic fireplace. It's any piece that commands attention and draws your eye in. Barbara Ulstrom, a veteran, has designed as many as 70 show houses, used African safari swivel chairs and whimsical artwork to make a statement in her design. Beth Diana Smith used a beautiful color rug with a statement chair and side table. The statement chandelier and mirror in this Sean Henderson design adds movement and flow. This design by Workshop ADP features artwork with a contrasting white dress against a black background with oversized silver balls. Nina Sarafi's design features a silver statement chair for a playful vibe. It's probably not as comfortable as an upholstered chair, but that's beside the point. This statement lounge chair creates a corner moment in the room Jeremy Brent designed. The dramatic oversized pendants in this Kit Kemp Design Studio dining room makes a bold statement. Be selective with your statement pieces. Choose 1 to 2 to be the focal point of the room. Secret number 8, fifth wall. Designers do not forget about the fifth wall or your ceiling as seen in these rooms from the Kips Bay Decorator Show House. Whether it's a mural, wood beams, wallpaper, metallic finish, upholstered panels, or plaster, decorating the fifth wall will make a big impact and give you a designer look. Secret number 9, window treatments. Look at any designer space and you'll notice floor to ceiling drapery panels. Hanging your rod as close to the ceiling line or 1 to 4 inches down will draw your eye up and make a room appear taller. Another designer tip is to extend the drapery rod 8 to 10 inches past the windowsill. This lets the light in, makes your windows appear larger, and adds fullness at the sides. Secret number 10, visual layout. Designers create a visual layout of the spaces they're designing. The only way to know if your design will work is to look at all the pieces together. Piecemealing your design will not create a cohesive, balanced space. When designing your room, pull furniture and decor into Canva or Photoshop to create a visual of your room. Look at how all the pieces work together to make sure that they're complementary and it's not too busy. Create a room design and place all the pieces how they'll appear in your space. This will help you visualize your room before you make a purchase. Secret number 11, antiques. Designers love to use an antique or found item in their designs. This can be a piece you love from your travels or a family heirloom. You can find antiques and original pieces on sites like First Dibs and Cherish in every design style from traditional to contemporary and modern. Secret number 12, texture. Designer spaces are filled with layers of texture. A room only decorated with smooth finishes is going to feel flat and cold. On the other hand, a room with a mix of textures will feel warm and inviting. Think velvet pillows on a linen sofa or plush fur throw blanket draped at the edge of a smooth chaise sofa. The variety of textures invites you to touch and feel while adding depth and visual interest. By strategically including multiple textures in your design, you'll transform your home into a warm, inviting, and layered sanctuary. Secret number 13, scale. Creating a designer home requires careful consideration of scale and proportion. A space with furniture and decor sized correctly will create harmony and balance. This means using furniture that complements your space and doesn't feel too large or too small. By being mindful of each element you place in a room, you'll avoid overwhelming a small space with bulky furniture or having a large room that feels empty. Aside from the scale of your furniture, consider the scale of decor and accessories. Use a mix of sizes and shapes when decorating your room. It'll create visual interest while adding your unique style. Mix a tall vase with different size candles to create a moment in your design. Scale is also found in your pillow selections. For example, mix different sizes and shapes for an inviting experience. Here, a 26-inch pillow is behind a 24-inch one with a lumbar pillow in front. There's a variety of fabrics and textures from luxe velvet to matte linen for interest. Pro tip, your pillow insert should be 2 inches larger than your pillow cover. Scale also includes the prints and patterns used in a room. A good guideline is to start with no more than 3 patterns with a similar color scheme. You can always add more later. Mix a variety of sizes from small to medium and large. For example, this grandma coastal design has a mix of floral, stripe, and geometric patterns. Each one has a different size, but they all have a common color palette. Some have multiple colors, while others only have 2. Bonus design secret, jumping off point. Designers love to find a jumping off point to start their design. This can be a piece of art, area rug, wallpaper, fabric, print, or pillows. When I created the color palette for the sitting room, I used this colorful artwork as the jumping off point. Black, white, navy, and gray neutrals were pulled out with navy and fuchsia pink used as accent colors. Mixed metals of gold and silver add sophistication and luxury to the room. Since this room flows into the living room, the color palette is similar but different. Benjamin Moore Classic Gray OC23 paint is used on the walls in the open concept space. In the living room, the same ivory, white, black, and gray neutrals are combined with mixed metals. The oversized artwork was used to create the color palette and make a statement in the design. It has movement and flow similar to the female art from the sitting room, but with a neutral base. The beauty of using a consistent color palette between your spaces is you can move around the furniture and decor anytime you want a new look. To make your home look designer, order swatches for all the furniture and decor of the room. Look at the entire design as a whole so you can visualize how to look before you make any purchases. Remember, good design takes time, so don't rush the process. For a step-by-step guide to make your home look like you hired a designer, sign up for Designer Home 101 by clicking the link in the description. In the easy-to-follow course, you'll learn to transform your home into a happy place that reflects your unique style and personality. No experience necessary. You'll be guided every step of the way from finding your style to adding the finishing touches that make a room feel complete. And that, my friends, is a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. There are links in the description and pinned to the first comment to shop this week's video. Everything is also linked in my LTK shop, so make sure to follow me over there. I share new finds and curated rooms every single week that I think you'll really love. For more design tips and inspiration, check out this video next. Love you all so much and happy designing.